Well, hello everyone. I'm Derek.
And I'm Salonda.
And welcome back to our channel.
We be tripping.
This is day 25 of 53 days at sea. Now, today was it was a sea day. Okay? It was a sea day. So we got up around 11 o'clock because I'd been sick. Got up around 11 o'clock. Went to the Diamond luncheon. And what did you think about the luncheon? I'm
over it.
Over the luncheon?
Yeah, I ate a salad.
Yeah, I didn't really eat anything because I didn't know if it would continue to make me sick, so I didn't really eat anything. But then after that, I did have a what do you call the drink? The
hot chocolate. What?
The hot chocolate.
Oh no, you're talking about the Powerade?
I had a Powerade that I thought that helped me out and it made me feel better. Then I had the like I said, the hot chocolate. After that, we went to a seminar that was about gambling, like the pioneers of gambling, people that became famous for gambling. Talked about blackjack, so they had the card counters. They covered
poker,
MIT with blackjack, MIT thing that they
MIT?
had the school MIT. So that was when they put together when they used the card counting and they made a lot of money off of it. That's where the movie 21 come from. 21 is one of the movies, and I forget the other movie that came from that.
I asked because I know a lot of people probably use saying MIT.
Yeah. So, and also, let me see, it talked about poker, World Series of Poker, how it began and when like Chris Moneymaker made it, very popular, and made people think that the average person or amateur could win poker. And during the time, and this was like personal for me because during the time, this was around 2003, I was dealing poker at Harris in New Orleans. And I remember like overnight, the poker room used to close at around 3 o'clock in the morning. Well, after Chris Moneymaker won the World Series of Poker, the poker room never ever closed again. And I mean, everything just took off, made more money. All of this stuff happened during that time. And they talked about, let me see, what else? It was poker, blackjack. And that was pretty much it for the, and like people just how they made their money, and talked about, how much money had been made, over the time of them gambling, stuff like that. But it was informative. It was decent. What did you think about that?
It was informative. They talked about the people that will come together in groups and go to like Vegas and just like you said, the movie 21. Yeah, like that.
Yeah. So, and let me see. And that was basically it. I know I went back to the room because I was still not feeling well. So I went back to the room and I slept. That was it. I slept because I was, I was recovering. I just started feeling better and, I didn't want to jeopardize that by eating anything or whatever. And I was very tired because I hadn't really been sleeping. And this time change is still affecting me. So what about you?
I watch you sleep.
Okay. Well, it sounds like hating, but not only will you watch me sleep, you're trying to wake me up. Yeah. Anyway, so, but I mean, that was what? Oh, I thought you said something, but, that was it. So we had really like a relaxed day and, what more can I say? You got something you want to add to that?
Nothing at all.
So how was your day while I was sleeping?
I don't know. I was relaxing. I mean, I wasn't sleepy, so I just...
You was relaxing, trying to wake me up?
Well, shut up.
I'm trying to figure out how does that... That doesn't even make sense. That doesn't make sense. That doesn't make sense.
Y'all see what I go through.
I want you to tell the people what was going on, why you were trying to wake me up. Anyway, silence. Anyway, but you know,
I
like
thought you was dead over there, so
I was dead and I snored. See
No,
what I'm
you was
saying?
not snoring, so I was making sure you was still alive, boy. Please.
You were saying, Derek, get up. That's making sure I'm alive.
Derek, shut up, boy. Please.
Oh my God! Don't lie to the people. Don't do that. People don't like when you lie. Can't trust you. But yeah. So it was really a relaxed day. Everything was you know. I mean, I just chilled. And see, that's the beauty of being on vacation. If you don't want to do anything, you don't have to do anything. You can just relax and everything continues to happen. I always you know, say like, you know, and even with being retired, the thing about being retired is you have to find something to do, or long days when you have nothing to do become very stressful, become, you know, boring, you know, so you have to find a way to pass the time and enjoy yourself. So I was recovering from being sick. I slept a day away and I was okay with it, you know. So, you know, other than that, what you want to say?
Not a thing.
So how would you rate yesterday? I thought yesterday was a 10.
And that's
It really
good.
was
I'm
a
so
10.
glad you need to sleep. I'm glad you thought it was a 10. He needed.
Is that sarcasm in your voice?
Not at all.
Okay,
you
anyway.
needed it.
I-
What?
I think yesterday was a 10 for me. You won't rate it at all?
No, I don't have nothing to rate it, but I mean,
I mean,
I'm glad.
I think the only complaints I would have had about yesterday is probably like when you was trying to wake me up. Other than that, it was a great day. It was really a great day.
Derek, please.
What?
Well, please tell these people until next time.
No, the people like when you be honest. That's what they always, the comments
Derek, I
always
was on
say.
the phone with Elantra, boy. Shut up.
Oh, God. Anyway, so, you know, until next time, huh? Anything else? Yeah. Until next time, keep tripping. Bye.